What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for the last short. I got 10,000 views. Thanks for everybody. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. But anyways, I got this crank no start, and guess what it was? Okay, so yeah, this is the gas sample that I got from this vehicle. As you can see, there's a little layer on top, which is water. It's pretty bad, but yeah, I mean, it was something so simple, but it took me a long time because I checked the fuel pressure. It was fine, spark timing, and it turns out the fuel was bad. I tried to light it on fire. It didn't even want to light up. It looked like water. It smelled like water. I took it all out. I put good gas in it, and bam, starts up. No problem, no issue. So yeah, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep viewing more videos. And yeah, peace out.